How to remove account from Mail in iPhone. First is by going to your Settings app right here, and then scroll down until you can see Mail, which is below Passwords and above Contacts. So click on Mail, and then go ahead to Accounts right here. And then, if you want to remove an account, make sure to click on the account that you want to remove. For example, this Gmail. Again, click on the delete account right here. Click on that one, and then click on delete from my iPhone right here. So as you can see, it is now loading, and then the account has been removed. So just to recap, you need to go to your settings, look for mail, and then go to accounts, choose the account you want to delete, and click on delete account on the bottommost part. So there you go. That's how you can remove account from mail in iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.